Hey guys, it's 2:30 on a Thursday morning. We've just left home. We finally got the car all packed and we're heading north to Quobba Station. Now we're catching up with Coxy, Jake, Steph and a new mate, Sam. We're going to be up on the Gold Coast for 9 days. It's a whole new adventure for us. We've never been up there before, so we're really looking forward to it. Hope you guys are keen to stick around. Enjoy a frothy and we'll see you soon. Well, just hit lunchtime, made it to Billabong Roadhouse for a quick pit stop. Still making pretty good time given that we left at about 2:30 this morning, 3 o'clock. Actually, we probably didn't get on the road till 4:30 by the time we got out of Joondalup. But it's warm, flies are definitely all out in full force. We're just getting ourselves a drink, be on the road, 2.5 hours to Quobba, baby. Cheers, big dog.
We just got to the blowholes. It's officially been 13 hours on the road. We started at 3 AM and it's just gone 4 o'clock. It's been a pretty good drive. Very windy for those who don't have aircon. A little bit windswept at the moment, but I think I'm in for a week of that. We're just airing down, ready to hit Quobba Station, where we will stay for our first night.
Morning. How you doing? Good. Do you want a hand with anything?
I will give you this. Ta.
Alrighty, so it's our first official day on the holiday that doesn't include any travel. And I have to admit, we were going to push onto Red Bluff originally, and then we decided, I think, to stay at Quobba Station for the night and not overdo it, and as a result we got into camp at about 4 o'clock in the arvo, which worked out really well. And we were pleasantly surprised to know that you can still have campfires here, and they have hot showers, which is welcoming. I actually didn't expect to be able to have either of those two on this trip, so as a result now we are all working our way over to have a shower. I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna get down to Red Bluff tonight. We're gonna go see the King Waves kill sign and get the mandatory photo, and check out the blowholes as well. There's a lot to see here, and it's only day one, so it's pretty cool. It's very quiet here as well at the moment. It's, surprising. It's a bit windy. That didn't affect the way any of us slept last night, so it wasn't too bad. Coxy, you want to eat salt from my hand? Salt, yeah. I actually don't reckon it's that bad.
What?
Salt. I got it!
Yeah, there is actually a shipwreck right here on the rocks, right next to the track.
Really?
Yeah, part of it. And off-road line, you know.
Yeah, should do.
Have lunch here.
Well, we could always have lunch here and flick a line if you want.
Hey, thinking lunch? Chill out.
Sounds like a plan. The shipwreck in question is that of a bulk carrier vessel known as the Korean Star. It was sailing from Hong Kong on May 11, 1988 when it anchored up due to some cyclonic weather off the coast near Cape Cuvier. The vessel broke in half after grounding, with all 19 crew on board surviving the ordeal. It was then declared a total loss by owners Green Spanker Shipping. We stumbled across this wreck by chance, so if you're wondering the whereabouts of the wreck, we followed a steep decline track between Quobba Station and Red Bluff down towards the ocean's edge. The rest is up to you guys to find. How's this? Our own little beach. How good. wasn't long before the locals came down to visit, chasing some fresh water as there'd been no rain since July. A very stark reminder of how hard going it has been for the wildlife and farmers out there doing it tough. We'd fallen in love with Red Bluff within minutes of arriving, so with that said, we pitched camp with the intention of staying here for at least a couple of nights. So we've just been for a bit of a walk up Red Bluff. It's behind us this way. Had a look out over the edge of the cliff and there's so much marine activity going on, it's not funny. And so we just spotted a couple of turtles floating around. Means we might be going for a scuba dive tomorrow, I reckon, or a snorkel just to check it all out. And there's a heap of fish. So I think we're gonna go for a fish the Savo, hopefully catch ourselves some dinner. Even though I don't normally eat fish, but I reckon I'll be game enough to try it if I manage to land some.
Oh.
Definitely not a snapper. It's a bream. Isn't this a Dewey? Like 7 kilos? Maybe close. Oh. What? Call me Rex Hunt. Another amazing day at Red Bluff was coming to an end, but not without a late night drinking session that went on to an entire new level. It's not too often that Coxy goes on holiday without a cask of the cheapest, nastiest wine available at the Bottle-O. He's delivered again, even coming up with a new technique of consuming it. This one, known as the goon rack.
Oh, no! Oh shit. Oh, the sand's on the end.
The sand's on the end. The goon rack.
Hey, I would need the sand on the tip. Put your head through it, man.
He's not going to get his head through there.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck.
Goon.
An axe in the eye. No! Oh, fuck! Actually fell on my face,
Got that! The
fucking point goes in my eye,
Oh man.
It's not the best thing to do lying down, eh?
Right, so unfortunately our Red Bluff Quobba Station experience is over. We've just come out and we've all aired back up now, and we're going to head on the road and head north to Exmouth and go visit Cape Range, which will be cool.
Join us next time for part 2 of our Coral Coast experience as we hit the Black Top to Cape Range National Park in search of some turtles, but not without visiting the Charles Knife Canyon first.
We cross Yardie Creek and find ourselves a new home for a couple of nights while the drinking games and the fishing competition begin to heat up.
The corrugated tracks claim more victims from Cape Range to Coral Bay, with a couple of our vehicles needing some bush mechanic repairs.
Stay tuned for all of this and much more. If you'd like to keep up to date with the release of part 2 and all of our future uploads, make sure you click the subscribe button below. We'll see you soon, legends.